VIX A. Core. RKOs. Acts. /ZH. N. Good evening, and welcome to our financial market analysis. Last night, the major U.S. indices closed mixed, showing a narrow consolidation pattern. Specifically, the Nasdaq Composite closed at 25,169.50 points, virtually flat with a 0% change. The S&P 500 index also saw a marginal gain of 0%, settling at 7,266.99 points, while the Dow Jones Industrial Average rose by 0%, closing at 49,918.78 points. Looking at pre-market futures, we've seen a slight uptick across the board, with Nasdaq futures up 0.13%, S&P futures up 0.02%, and Dow futures up 0.15%. This suggests that after a period of turbulence, the market has entered a brief wait-and-see phase, lacking a clear, single-directional driver. There were no significant, verified individual stock anomalies last night. Tech giants like Nvidia, up 0.61%, and Tesla, up 0.74%, saw a mild rebound. However, these gains did not cross the anomaly threshold and are largely considered technical corrections after recent declines. Overall, the U.S. market performance was subdued, with volatility contracting as participants await new catalysts. Turning our attention to the global macro picture, the 10-year U.S. Treasury yield stands at 4.53%, a slight pullback of 0.26% from the previous day. While a decline in yields typically suggests an easing of liquidity expectations, this level remains within the higher range for the year. This signals persistent market concerns about sticky inflation, and the Fed's hawkish stance is not yet fully priced in, making yields prone to upward pressure in the short term. The VIX Fear Index saw a significant drop of 4.41% yesterday, settling at 21.24. Although the VIX has retreated from